Apple cider vinegar, crafted from fresh, ripe apples, begins with a straightforward fermentation process. Naturally occurring sugars evolve into malic and acetic acid, yielding a smooth blend with a unique brown tint. With its roots in the East, it offers a myriad of potential health benefits. Eager to discover more? Delve into the 5 essential traits of apple cider vinegar in today's video from the Daily Eco. Digestive properties. Apple cider vinegar's mild acidity may play a role in digestion by contributing to the activity of digestive enzymes. However, more research is needed to fully understand its impact on harmful bacteria and regulating stomach acids. While some claim it relieves gas, bloating, and constipation, the evidence is still limited. Improves kidney function. Keeping your urinary tract clean is key to overall health, and apple cider vinegar steps up to the plate. Its acidity helps maintain a slightly acidic urine environment, which can discourage the growth of unwanted bacteria and potentially reduce the risk of urinary, kidney, and even spleen infections. Additionally, its rich potassium content contributes to a more balanced blood pH, promoting the healthy removal of fluids from the body. It has cardiovascular properties. Some suggest apple cider vinegar may aid in regulating blood pressure, potentially due to its acetic acid content. However, more research is needed to understand the full scope of its effects. Similarly, claims around improved circulation, toxin removal, and cholesterol reduction require further scientific exploration. But before we continue, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the news about healthy eating, gardening, recycling, and much more. Contains properties that help muscles and bones. The potassium in apple cider vinegar may offer some relief for muscle cramps, pain, and inflammation. In fact, some suggest it could even help with sprains and arthritis, but more research is needed to confirm these claims. Properties on skin and hair. The acidity of apple cider vinegar might offer potential benefits for various skin conditions. Some claim it can also revitalize skin and address calluses and fungi. Applied to hair, it's said to enhance shine and combat dandruff. There are also claims about apple cider vinegar aiding in weight loss, reducing appetite, or improving sleep. However, these claims require cautious consideration. While apple cider vinegar might be a part of a healthy diet, it is unlikely to be a single solution for all these complex issues. How to take apple cider vinegar. While consuming apple cider vinegar in small doses and correctly diluted in water holds potential health benefits, it's crucial to approach it with caution. Begin with just 1 to 2 teaspoons diluted in a glass of water to avoid any stomach upset. Don't exceed 1 to 2 tablespoons per day and spread your intake throughout the day for better absorption. For applications on skin or hair, dilution is always mandatory. Never apply undiluted vinegar directly. Let us know in the comments if you plan to give it a try, and be sure to share your questions or suggestions in the comment section below. Until next time.